as a district, we need to look out in the world and try to find where we can find the water supply to make up the deficiencies that are going to exist in our state water project. And we have several alternatives. The next cheapest source of water is recycled water, for which we could use for either groundwater recharge or direct use for irrigation of parks and playgrounds and schoolyards.
Recycled water is wastewater treated at our local wastewater plants that in many cases today is discharged to the Pacific Ocean and lost, and we can't use it. The GRIP project is a major effort involving 4 large water and wastewater agencies to take some of that water that's currently going to the ocean, treat it to a very high level, and use it to meet part of our water supply needs in the San Gabriel Valley. Using our local resources is paramount for us to be able to manage our water demands and water supply going forward into the future, addressing issues such as drought and increased water demands related to development and growth in the area. With that, conservation is also very important, because as the area grows and our population increases, we need to do more with less, and again, that means conservation and maximizing the use of the resources we currently have available.
The Groundwater Reliability Improvement Program, which is going to bring recycled water in, treated to a very high standard for groundwater recharge, and that will make up for some of the deficiencies that we'll get from Northern California. This water is very reliable, because as long as there are people and they're using the and generating wastewater, there'll be wastewater available for us to recycle. And so this would be our next cheapest source. And beyond that, then of course it's desalting poor quality groundwater, which we could be doing cooperatively with another agency, maybe in exchange for other water supply. And then of course we could work with some of the larger agencies and actually participate in seawater desalting, again in exchange for their share of Northern California water.
It's important for the public to realize that there's a large investment that's already been made into our water supply. But with drought, climate change, and other issues, regulatory issues affecting our water supply, there's much more that needs to be done just to maintain the level of reliability we currently expect coming out of our tap. And so I think it's important for the public to realize, yes, transportation and education are important, but if we don't continue to invest wisely in our infrastructure for our water supply, we'll start to notice that reliability is in jeopardy.